Hey there, this is Sami Hasan from Graphic Analyst, and today I'm gonna show you how to change any color in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started.
So here is our screen and this is our model, and we are going to change the color of this black shirt. So before we do this, we have to duplicate this layer. So let's duplicate this layer. Just simply click on the layer and just Ctrl J. It will be duplicate your layer. And now we are going to select the quick selection tool for select this shirt, and you can simply select it with hitting W. And now we are going to select the shirt, and I'm making it faster. Just take your time and make it good. And now we can see the shirt selection is ready, and create a clear mask of the shirt. Shirt is already selected and we can see the shirt. So here it is. It's look nice. And now we are going to change the color. So to do this, we have to make a solid color. So just go to solid color and choose any color what you want. So I'm going to choose a dark color because the shirt is also dark, so it will be more realistic. So I'm choose this navy blue color and little bit darker. So here it is. And now we have to clip this layer on the shirt. So to do this, just we have to click the layer and now Ctrl Alt G. It will be clip this mask on the shirt. Let's do it. Now you can see the color is already clipping on the shirt, and it's look very weird, I know, but don't worry, we can fix it. Just multiply this, and now you can see it's better than before. So now let's add some curves for more highlights. So just create some highlights to drag it, and now make it as a clipping mask. So the highlights is already clipped on the color, and just simply drag it more and just double click on the curves and take it little bit right side and hit the Alt button to break this slider. So break the slider and drag it right side. So here you can see the highlights, it's looking more realistic, and hit the OK. So here is the way to change the color in Photoshop. And now we are going to make it a group. So select the layer and hit Ctrl G. It will make a group. So now we can see here is the before and here is the after. So it's looking so realistic, and I hope this gonna be helpful for you. If you like this one, please hit the subscribe button and comment on the video.